Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the app icon in the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Telegram app. Here it opens up in the messages board and this little chick welcomes us. From here we can either swipe right or tap on the three lines in the top left corner. Here in this list, we tap on settings, and here we scroll down a bit and tap on chat settings. In the chat settings menu, we scroll down again, and there is an app icon little bar. And from this, we can either select the default, the vintage one, or the aqua one. And there are also three other options, but these are limited to premium users. So if you want to use them, you have to subscribe and get a premium account. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.